I'm seeing here. Yeah, Jojo's asking, how much money would you say is enough to start selling on Etsy?
It depends on your experience on writing in design. Let's assuming you know serial design, and you get that make merch deal, which is like $20, $25 a month, and that will be like $25, and then you will need Etsy requires that you have a minimum of 50 listings to consider your store, and they like consistency.
50
So
or 50?
50 listings to be considered a
Five.
store. But I
Okay.
believe you have a link that they can get 40 free listings, right? You're giving that link for free. So
Yeah.
you use their link, you get 40 free listings. So you only have to pay for 10 more listings to have a real store. So that is 20 cents plus 10, $2. And probably some money for ads to test. To be honest, you can open a store with 40, $50.
That's pretty sweet. That's really cool. And you have everything you need to once you open up that store. There's a wealth of tools at your fingertips to be able to promote your listings and do what you need to get out there in the marketplace because people need you right now. They want to buy from you. So that's wonderful. Thank you so much, Fernando. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being here, and thank you guys all for joining us.